So we're doing a rigging check today, and Amy drew the short straw because she's the lightest.
So I get to go up the mast. Joy.
Yay!
Let's see how this goes.
Now we're going to have some help from our neighbours. So, do you know what you?
Drop me.
I won't drop you. Do you know what you do when you get up there?
Not a clue.
Okay.
Now, because it's very good, you can feel it. When you take it this way, it's okay. But if something is broken, you can feel
they get thicker.
They get thicker.
Immediately.
Yes. But if you try it, so you know what to do. It's okay, it's nothing here.
Yeah. So when I go up there, rude. I'm gonna have to come out to the shroud.
Yes.
Right.
But it's just you can walk on the spreader.
Yeah. That sounds like fun. Give it a shake.
Yes, and you can feel if it feels alright, sort of.
Well, it's a first time for everything.
Right then.
Which means you are taking Amy up?
This one?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's not a bit too windy to be doing this now?
Oh.
No.
No?
There is no waves also.
It looks like our boom is bending backwards.
The mast bend this, yeah, it does, doesn't it? Do you think we should make a bowline out of this, or was that going to be strong enough? Yeah? And that knot is good?
I hope so. But do you have another one as well, or?
Not really. I mean, we could use the topping lift as a safety line, maybe?
Yeah.
Right, well, I'll take the topping lift off and we can have it as a safety line.
Okay.
Yeah? And this goes up a different side of the mast. I'm not sure how we're going to do this unless we wrap it around the spreaders. Oh, first time. Legs through there. Aren't you going to want shoes on?
No. If I fall and die, Bam Bam gets it all.
There'll be no falling and dying today.
Oh yes, you're hitting up her here. Yes. But I want to have something here. I won't have it. Yes.
Okay.
You'll be able to see what I see.
Yes.
Right. I'll go tension the lines. Just try not to laugh too hard. Okay, how are you doing?
About 3 meters. Yeah.
They all look alright. Not wrong with them. Oh, it's windy up here. Okay, wait! Wait! Oh, it's windy! Am I supposed to try and get to there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, good! You know what I'm like with heights. How am I supposed to get to there?
Very good. Really.
Jesus! Now what am I supposed to do?
Stand still so we can take a photo.
And now what?
Feel the shrouds.
The bottom is most important.
Oh, good! Slowly! Yeah, it seems okay. Okay. Should be easy as pie. Done it before already. loosen it a little bit. Okay.
Okay. There.
Okay, up.
Right.
Very good. Very good. Really good.
It's pretty tiring as well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You ready to go all the way up?
Sure. I'm
Yeah.
gonna have to try and sit down in it again.
Yeah.
So I have to loosen it.
Shall we take a little bit down?
Yeah, a little
Yeah,
bit.
little bit down.
Okay, I'm sat. They all feel okay to me. There's no fluctuation in the width. There's no splinters. All looks pretty good. So far so good. Except I am shitting my pants. The shrouds are a bit narrower.
Hey, do you think it's going to be easier if you shuffle across with your hands?
Sorry?
If you shuffle across the spreader with your hands while you're sat in the chair.
Yeah.
How much higher does she need to go now? Does she need to go right to the top?
Yeah, no problems. All good. I really wish I knew what I was doing a bit better than this, but you know. Now, all bolts are solid. I want a sailboat, they said. It's beaches in the Bahamas and clear blue seas, sun and whatnot. Nobody tells you have to go fucking into the bloody clouds on your mast to check that the rigging's alright. Okay! And you're gonna kill yourself in the process. Jesus! Right. Give it a shake. Give it a shake. 3 and 2. All looks alright? Should I do it? Strike a pose?
Yes!
Woo! Flying!
You ready to go higher?
Sorry?
You ready to go higher?
Higher?
Up!
You need to check the bolts at the top.
Sure, why not? I'm already up here. I'm only going up here once. Let's hit the Genoa. There's the top of the Genoa. Going down again. Oh, I love this bit. Doesn't scare the life out of me at all. On the opposite side of the Genoa. And now I can go higher. Why did I even mention that? Why did I tell him I can go higher? Because you're a dipshit, Amy. That's why. Because you're a dipshit. Genoa looks good. Still solid. Should have really moused that off. But when we bring the Genoa down again, we'll probably do that. Am I going up? That one looks good to me. And that's still on there, that clip, which is good.
Is that enough?
There's nothing wrong I can see there. And there's the Beneteau sign. Nice. Okay, that's probably as high as I can get, really. Or as I'd like to go.
Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Right then.
Get me the hell out of here, Martin. It's a bit lumpy with me. Hey. Okay.
Well done!
Whew. Well, it's always exciting doing something the first time, isn't it?
Didn't show that it was the first one you did perfect.
Thank you. It's high up there. I'm not good with heights.
Better at it than I am, that's for sure.
Oh, jeez. My legs were like jelly cakes. Right. I'm hot. My arse is damp. Can you get me out of here?
Yeah.
There's no chance I'm not drinking today. I deserve a beer for that.
You did well.
You did excellent.
Very good.
Thanks.
Class act.
Might have to go back up.
Oh, bugger off. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe. Help us make more videos like this by joining our Patreon family.